The 5800 series of Pentair valves provides a common solution for a wide variety of filtration and softening treatment. Developed on the same platform as the 5800, the new 5810 and 5812 valves offer flexibility with a familiar appearance while reducing carrying costs and product knowledge. These new valves share many of the design features introduced in the 5800, such as the customizable cover with blue or black insert. The one-piece environmental cover for UV, moisture, and debris protection is also available. The optional lower cover adds protection and a visual blend between the advanced controls and high-flow valve bodies. The power head features the same snap-together construction for easy assembly, an optical sensor for accurate piston positioning, the DC drive assembly for reversible direction that gives faster cycling and less wear on internal components, and interchangeable controllers. The available controllers let you customize the valve to your needs. We offer the SXT with a large LCD display and user-selectable time clock or metered functions for filter and softener systems. The newly updated XTR2 is also available for the full 5800 series. The upgraded XTR2 takes the flexibility of the platform to a new level with its full touchscreen display that is supported by dual programmable relays, customizable dealer information, service notification for time or service cycles, variable or traditional reserve settings, non-factory saved program settings, and a new computer-based field service programmer. The new Field Service Programmer lets you save your customer's configuration and flash to new boards, as well as access more in-depth water use information. There is even a vacation mode for systems that are not used year-round. The phone icon is present at each step, giving the end user your contact information. The drain line flow control is located behind the power head for both valves and is held in by a quick connect clip. The 5810 uses a 3/4 inch 90-degree elbow for lower flow and a straight 1 inch with flow washer below the fitting for higher flows. The 1 1/4 5812 uses a 1 inch 90-degree fitting that can be selected in NPT or BSP thread type, which is identified on the fitting. The new valves are more than just a drive assembly and control. The Fleck 5810 and 5812 are available with a true flow riser connection. The 1 inch 5810 can be ordered with a 1 inch inside diameter riser connection for optimum low restriction throughout the system, as well as traditional 1.05 inch OD and 32 millimeter options. The 1 1/4 inch 5812 is available up to 1.5 inches. The 5810 is available for 2.5 inch diameter tank inlets. The 5812 can be ordered in either the 2.5 or 4 inch to accommodate common tank sizes and allow for optimum low restriction flow. The new valves share the same piston assemblies. These are removed from the body by a top hex nut on the piston end plug. The available pistons are the downflow brining softener, upflow brining softener, and filter. The caged seal and spacer assemblies were enlarged to accommodate the high flow rates of the new 5810 and 5812. They share the same diameter, but the 1 1/4 5812 is a taller assembly. Both the 5810 and 5812 share component locations with the 5800, with the injector and screen assembly on the right. The cap for the screen and injector is held by a blue clip with integrated injector and plug puller. Just like the 5800, there are 2 locations for the injector. These new valves identify the location of the injector based on brine flow, with a plug in the other location. The screen assembly is easily removed for cleaning. The brine line flow control, or refill, uses a smaller quick connect and can be customized with different flow washers and plumbing sizes to best fit your application. The service-accessible meter location is on the left side of both valves. This new assembly is also held by the same blue clip. filter applications will have a cap. Flow is the name of the game in control valves, and the Fleck 5810 and 5812 deliver in both softener and filter applications. The 1-inch 5810 is rated for a backwash of 28 GPM and service flow rate of 30 GPM to accommodate 8 to 21-inch diameter systems, while the 1.25" 5812 is rated for 45 GPM backwash and 35 GPM to service tanks up to 24 inches. The Fleck 5810 offers treated water refill for a cleaner brine tank and superior salt dilution. The 5812 allows you to choose via the A and B ports in the front right for either treated water or untreated water refill. To complement the new larger 1-inch and 1.25" valves, a new bypass assembly that identifies the inlet and outlet was designed. This is shared between both valves and features a hard stop on the body of the valve and bypass to prevent overtensioning of the components. The new plumbing adapters are identified on threaded options as either NPT or BSP in the mold. Sweat-style connectors have an inside and outside diameter match, so one connector is good for 2 pipe sizes to help save your installation time and cost. Flexibility. The 5800 series control valves give you immeasurable opportunities.